10 black seed oil benefits you've been missing and how to use it right. What if one tiny spoon of oil could change everything about your health? We're talking about something ancient, something powerful, something you probably have never used the right way. It's called black seed oil, and today I'm giving you the 10 incredible benefits science is finally catching up to. But listen, benefit number 9 will absolutely blow your mind. It's the one nobody talks about, and yet it could change how you think, sleep, and feel every single day. Before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below if you've ever tried black seed oil or if today's your first time hearing about it. 1. Fights inflammation like a boss. Let me ask, do you wake up sore like you got hit by a truck? That's not just aging. It's called chronic inflammation, and it's like having a tiny fire burning inside your body all the time. Black seed oil has a special ingredient called thymoquinone. It's like a firefighter for your cells. It calms the fire, reduces swelling, and makes your body feel peaceful again. In one study, people who took black seed oil daily reduced their inflammation by over 50% in a month. How to take it? 1 teaspoon daily with food. Think of it as your daily body armor. 2. Teaches your immune system how to work smarter. Do you always get sick during cold season? Or maybe your immune system goes wild, causing allergies, skin rashes, or even autoimmune issues. Your immune system isn't just supposed to be strong. It's supposed to be smart. Black seed oil helps your body fight off real threats like viruses, but stay calm when it sees harmless stuff. In ancient Islamic medicine, they called it the seed that cures everything but death. In one study, people taking it during winter had 60% fewer infections and way fewer allergy issues too. Mix 1 teaspoon with honey when sick or take it daily to keep your defense team sharp. 3. Balances blood sugar and crushes cravings. Ever feel crazy sugar cravings? Tired after eating? Hangry when you miss a meal? That's your blood sugar roller coaster, and it means your body isn't using insulin the right way. That's called insulin resistance. Black seed oil helps your cells respond to insulin again. It can even lower blood sugar by 15 to 20%. In one study, it worked as well as diabetes medication with fewer side effects. Take 500 to 1,000 milligrams in capsules, morning and evening. You'll feel more steady, with fewer cravings and more energy. 4. Protects your heart before it's too late. Heart disease doesn't scream. It whispers for years until it's too late. Black seed oil helps by lowering bad cholesterol, raising good cholesterol, reducing blood pressure. In a study, people lowered their blood pressure by 7 points in just 8 weeks. Add 1 TSP of black seed oil to your breakfast, especially if heart health runs in your family. What's more valuable than peace of mind knowing your heart is stronger? 5. Fixes your thyroid and brings back your energy. Do you feel tired even after a full night's sleep? Cold when everyone else is fine? Like your hair is falling out way too fast? That could be your thyroid not working properly, especially common in women with autoimmune issues like Hashimoto's. Black seed oil helps calm your immune system so it stops attacking your thyroid. It also helps raise T3, the hormone that gives your cells energy. In one study, women taking black seed oil saw big drops in thyroid antibodies and felt better fast. Take 1,000 milligrams per day, split into morning and night. 6. Clears your skin and strengthens your hair. Your face tells the story of your health. Struggling with acne that won't go away? Eczema flare-ups? Hair thinning? That's inflammation and hormone imbalance showing up on your skin. Ancient queens used black seed oil as their beauty secret inside and out. And science agrees. It reduces acne by 60%, promotes hair thickness in people with hair loss. Use a few drops on your face or scalp 2 to 3 a week. And take 1 TSP daily for inner glow. You'll see the glow in 4 to 6 weeks. 7. Heals your gut and stops bloating. Ever feel like you're 6 months pregnant after eating, gassy or uncomfortable all the time? Sensitive to foods you used to enjoy? That's your gut lining screaming for help. It might even be leaky, letting toxins into your bloodstream. Black seed oil acts like a smart antibiotic, killing bad bacteria while helping the good ones grow. It also seals your gut lining like patching a leak. 80% of people in one study had less bloating and gut pain within 4 weeks. Use 1/2 TSP before meals or brew crushed seeds into tea. What would life feel like if food made you feel energized instead of bloated? 8. Clears your airways and eases allergies. Do you dread spring? Struggle to breathe at night? Constant sinus issues? Black seed oil works like a natural anti-allergy solution without the drowsiness of meds. In one asthma study, people used inhalers 40% less often after taking black seed oil. Take 1 TSP during allergy season, plus add drops to hot water and inhale the steam. Breathe in, breathe out, finally free. 9. Clears brain fog and boosts mental sharpness. Do you forget names, lose your keys, or feel mentally foggy? That's not just stress, it's brain inflammation. Black seed oil increases something called acetylcholine, your memory and learning superpower. It also protects brain cells from damage. College students on black seed oil did better on memory tests and felt sharper. Try 1/2 TSP in the morning with fish oil. Within 2 to 3 weeks, you'll start noticing the clarity. What could you accomplish with a sharper mind? 10. Melts belly fat and balances hormones. Here's the truth. Stubborn belly fat isn't about laziness, it's about hormones. If you've been eating healthy and exercising but still can't lose that waistline, it might be inflammation, stress hormones, or insulin resistance holding you back. Black seed oil helps lower insulin, reduce hunger hormones, balance your fat-burning system. One study showed people lost over 4 pounds and 1.5 inches off their waist in just 12 weeks with no crazy dieting. Take 500 milligrams before meals. Pair with walking or intermittent fasting for best results. How to use black seed oil: get cold pressed. Organic oil in dark glass bottles. Start small. Begin with 1/4 TSP a day. Build up to 1 TSP over 1 to 2 weeks. Be consistent. Use daily for 30+ days to feel the real benefits. Avoid heat. Never cook with it. It kills the good stuff. Pair it smart. Combine with fish oil or turmeric for extra punch. Safety first. Don't use if pregnant or breastfeeding. Talk to your doctor if you're on blood thinners or diabetes med. It's not recommended for kids under 5. Let's talk in the comments. Have you ever used black seed oil? What did it help you with? Which of these 10 benefits do you want the most? What's one health goal you wish you could fix naturally? Drop your story in the comments. It could inspire someone else. If this helped, smash that like button. Subscribe for more natural healing tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss the next remedy. Comment Black Seed Power if you're ready to try it.